Hello students, today we are going to know about the steps of monohybrid cross in pea plant. In Mendel's monohybrid cross pea plant, Mendel selected a pair of contrasting traits. What are the contrasting traits? Pure tall pea plant and pure dwarf pea plant. Pure tall and pure dwarf pea plant we marked as P generation. The organism which is selected for the cross, it is known as parental generation or P generation. In between parental organism pure tall and pure dwarf pea plant, Mendel done cross pollination. Pure tall and pure dwarf is the expression of the gene. So these are known as phenotype. So what will be the genotype of the pure tall? Capital T, and small capital T is the genotype of pure tall pea plant, and small t is the genotype of pure dwarf pea plant. Capital T is the gene for uh, tall trait, and small t is the gene for dwarf trait. Next, after the cross pollination, the fertilization takes place. Next, during fertilization, first gamete formation takes place first. Here capital T, small t. So parental organisms is diploid. So after the gamete formation, the haploid gametes are produced from diploid parent. So capital T and small t, these are haploid gamete. Male gamete and female gamete unite with each other and from the zygote. So next, capital T, suppose capital T is the male gamete and small t is the female gamete. Anyone you can consider. So male gamete unite with female gamete, and in the F1 generation, the zygote that is produced, that is with the genotype capital T with small t. So capital T is the dominant trait, small t is the recessive. We already know if dominant and recessive, these two different allele present in homologous chromosome. So dominant trait always express and recessive trait suppressed. So here the phenotype of this organism is tall, but two contrasting allele present here, so we write here hybrid tall. So from the parent organism, the offspring that is produced, we mark it F1 generation or first filial generation. So again capital T again fertilize, again unite with capital T with small t. This gamete fertilize, this gamete fertilize with small t, that is so all the organism that is produced in F1 generation all are hybrid tall. So we write here hybrid tall. Now next step, In between hybrid tall pea plant, self pollination takes place and the offspring that is produced after the self pollination of the hybrid tall pea plant, this is marked as F2 generation. So next step, capital T, that is self pollination takes place. We can write here selfing. So these are the parental organism. Next, second step, gamete formation takes place, capital T with small t. In which process gamete formation takes place? In meiosis process. So these are gametes. Here we also write gametes. These gametes now we put in a table. This table is known as checkerboard. It is also known as Punnett square because Punnett discovered this type of tabular formation. So this is also known as Punnett square or checkerboard. So we can write here checkerboard of F2 generation. I mark it male and here female. This is the sign of female, this is the sign of male. So first I put here all the male gametes, next I put all the female gametes. Now cross with the male gametes with female gametes. Capital T, small t, capital T. Next capital T, small t. Why I have written capital T before small t? Because capital T is the dominant trait and small t is the recessive. So capital T is written before the small t. Next, same way, capital T, small t, again small t, small t. So these all are genotypes. Now write the phenotype. Two same kind of allele are present. So this is pure tall. So phenotype is capital T is capital T, pure tall. That is tall because capital T expressed over the small t. This is also phenotype also tall, but what kind of tall? That is hybrid tall. Same way, this is also hybrid tall and this is small t, same kind of allele here. So small t, that is pure dwarf. Now come to the calculation part. First you make another table. First we write all the phenotype here. What kind of phenotypes we found from this F2 checkerboard of F2 generation? One is tall, another one is that is dwarf. Tall and dwarf. Next come to the genotype. Tall, pure tall, capital T, and hybrid tall, that is capital T small t, and pure dwarf small t. How many pure dwarf we get from the F2 checkerboard? That is 1. Capital T small t, how many hybrid tall are here? 2. And small t, that is 1. So total number of tall organism in F2 generation, that is 2, 1 homozygous tall and 1 heterozygous tall. So total tall is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Next small t. So here only one dwarf pea plant is produced in F2 generation checkerboard, so 1. So genotypic ratio is in F2 generation from the F2 generation checkerboard, what will be the result we get from F2 generation checkerboard? Genotypic ratio is 1:2:1 and phenotypic ratio is 3:1. So in Mendel monohybrid cross, phenotypic ratio 3:1 and genotypic ratio 1:2:1. From Mendel's monohybrid cross, Mendel state his first law, that is law of segregation,